If you've been wondering how to improve your squat, whether your goal is more strength, better depth, or cleaner technique, you're in the right place. The truth is, most people think the answer is simple: just add more weight to the bar. But if your squat form is poor, your mobility is limited, or your technique breaks down under pressure, adding weight will only make those problems worse. The good news is that improving your squat doesn't require complicated programs or secret exercises. You just need to focus on the fundamentals. The first step is mastering your squat form. Start with your feet about shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up, brace your core, and maintain a neutral spine. As you lower yourself, keep your knees tracking in line with your toes, and think about sitting down rather than simply bending forward. One of the biggest mistakes lifters make is letting their knees collapse inward or rounding their back. Good technique creates a stronger, safer, and more efficient squat. Next, let's talk about squat depth. Many people struggle to squat below parallel, and immediately assume their legs are weak. But in many cases, the real problem is mobility. Tight ankles, stiff hips, and poor flexibility can all limit your range of motion. Before every squat session, spend a few minutes warming up with dynamic stretches and mobility exercises for your hips and ankles. Small improvements in mobility can lead to huge improvements in squat performance. Now, if you want to improve your squat strength, squatting alone is not enough. Accessory exercises help strengthen the muscles that support the movement. Lunges, Bulgarian split squats, Romanian deadlifts, and step-ups all build leg strength and stability. Don't forget your core. A strong core helps transfer power and keeps your body stable under heavy loads. Simple exercises like planks and farmer carries can make a noticeable difference. Another important tip is learning to control the movement. Many beginners rush through their squats. Instead, lower yourself with control, pause briefly at the bottom, and drive upward with power. This improves technique, increases muscle activation, and builds confidence under the bar. Progressive overload is another key factor. This simply means making gradual improvements over time. You don't need to add huge amounts of weight every workout. Sometimes adding one extra repetition, improving your squat depth, or lifting with better form is progress. Those small improvements add up. Recovery is another part of squat training that people often ignore. Your muscles don't grow stronger while you're lifting. They grow while recovering. Getting enough sleep, eating enough protein, staying hydrated, and allowing time for recovery are all essential for long-term progress. Many people also ask how often they should squat. For most beginners and intermediate lifters, 1 or 2 squat sessions per week is enough. One day can focus on building strength, while the other can focus on technique, mobility, and lighter volume. This approach helps you improve without overtraining. And here's something important to remember: don't compare your squat to someone else's. Everyone has different body proportions, mobility levels, and training experience. Focus on becoming stronger than you were last month, not stronger than the person next to you. Because a great squat isn't just about lifting heavy weights. A strong squat improves athletic performance, balance, lower body strength, and overall fitness. And the best way to improve your squat is surprisingly simple. Master your technique, improve your mobility, strengthen your supporting muscles, recover properly, and stay consistent. Do that, and over time, you'll build a squat that is deeper, stronger, and more powerful than ever before. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more fitness tips, strength training advice, and workout guides every week.